Hello, my name's Sufyan. I'm the founder of bizme.com, and I'm here today to talk about the controls inside an event so you can get the best possible service and the most enjoyable experience. First of all, we'll have the host video there, and if the video feed ever stops, you just click on reload video. You can also click on get help, which will send a message directly through to the host. You can add your own notes about an event, so click on there. I've already put some notes earlier, very good start. Yes, it is. And save those, and these are archived. There's a public chat area. Yes, I agree, and send that, and that will update that, and everybody can put into public chat. And again, all this is archived. We'll look at the controls on the left-hand side. The green telephone saying that you're available, and if you click on it and make it go red, and I'm signed in as Bjorn, my card will turn red, showing the fact that I'm engaged. Now, during a networking event where you're talking to people, we automate the process and changing your status, which I'll come on to in a short while. My contact details, really important in a networking event, how people are going to contact you, and you can change those by clicking on the button there and update those. If there is a further problem with that, contact the host and they can organise to put your details on the screen for everyone else to see. You can attach media to an event, which might be videos, pictures or documents. So let's have a look at what we've got. This event, benefits of bizme.com. We click on there, and what we've got is a PDF document. I'll just move it up a little bit. There you go. Which is opened in a new tab there, and we'll just shut that down. And the next one we've got is testimonials. I'll click on that, and I think this is a video, and it is. It's a YouTube video, and the YouTube video will start playing. I will stop that, and then just close that down. So that's media, and again the media is stored there forever for you. If we come down to the main area within bizme.com, and this is about where you're looking at other people. So my card's green, Betty's is and Benny's is, but Frida's card's grey. Now what that means is I've already made some notes about Frida, so I will click on Benny this time, and I'll click on Benny, and I can send Benny a private message by saying hi Benny, and send that. I can then close, let's just scroll it down, there we go. I can then close that down, and if Benny sends me a message back, it will automatically pop up again. The main area is where I find out more and get connected. So I click on Benny's card there, and we have a look. And it tells me about Benny, it tells me his contact details, etc. I can click on his business profile, his private profile, and it gives me all the contact information there, etc. His email, his telephone. Some advice there, we call it 10-minute conversation tips, but they could be 5-minute conversation tips. Basically, the key points are please, 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 please do not try to sell. Don't hog all the conversation, and don't take longer than your allotted time in the event. What you should be doing is introducing yourself and your seat number. Each card's got a seat number, so it helps people orientate in terms of where you are. Be polite and ask questions and try to help the other person. And once you've finished, complete the action sections below. So let's have a look at these action sections in terms of this control panel that you've got. Number 1. Add to contacts. If I click on this, this person's been added to your contacts. Okay, that's gone into your address book, which we will talk about later. It's worthwhile mentioning that this is the only opportunity to get someone's personal contact details. Outside of the event, you'll only be able to get their business contact details. Request to contact. Let's say there was 20 or 30 people in the room. In an hour's event, you're not going to talk to 20 or 30 people directly. However, we always give you the opportunity to make a connection with them. So by clicking this button, and I'll click it, contact request sent. Okay, Benny will get a message outside of the room saying that I've tried to contact him along with my contact details in this event. I've not interrupted Benny, but I've actually sent a message saying I would like to talk to him. I could also add him to my contacts as well. If we have spoken at the end of a conversation, the idea is, would you get together to have a coffee, or is it worthwhile hooking up and having another telephone conversation, etc. So let's say we're going to get together and get a coffee. I will click on that. That will pop up. I will put next Wednesday the 9th in. I'll put 11 AM in, and we're going to go to Starbucks and for a coffee at 11. Action added, and OK, and again that will be saved for me. You can see it's closed Benny's card down. I'll just open it back up again and scroll back down. There we go. Add some notes about Benny. Very good guy, and save that, and that will also notes saved. Okay, save notes about Benny. Now once you open somebody's profile and you're in there for more than 30 seconds, we automatically change your status to engaged because we assume you're having a conversation with the person. And when you close it down, we send it back to green again. So my card's gone back to green. Now you notice Benny's card's gone grey, and that's because I've made some notes about Benny. Now, if we look at Betty's card there, you can see there's no picture. That's the first thing that strikes me. And when I click on Find Out More and Get Connected, there's nothing there about Betty. That's because she's not updated her profile settings. And there's nothing there. So I'll close that down. Okay, and we'll look at how to upgrade your profile settings at a later date as well in a separate video. And that's the main controls within an event.